The tilt rest skill is useful as a means of reducing pressure on the sitting surfaces and improving comfort in the neck, while allowing the hands to be free for other activities. This video recording shows seven different ways of performing the tilt rest skill and ensuring safety while learning it. Here, the wheelchair user gets into the wheelie position, backs up, and leans against the door before applying the wheel locks or brakes. The spotter is in position to prevent excessive tilt and to resist forward movement or submarining of the rear wheels. Here, the wheelchair user uses the wheelie method, leaning back against a curb before applying the wheel locks. The spotter is behind the wheelchair holding a spotter strap. To return to the upright position before releasing the wheel locks, the wheelchair user leans forward. Here, the wheelchair user first applies the wheel locks, then pulls himself back to rest against the door. Here, the wheelchair user applies the wheel locks, then pulls himself back to rest against the curb. Here, the wheelchair user applies the wheel locks and hitches his upper body back to rest against the door. Note that the wheel locks are not functioning as well as they should. Here, the wheelchair user applies the wheel locks, then pushes against the spotter to rest against the door. Here, the wheelchair user applies the wheel locks, then hitches his upper body back to rest against the sitting spotter. The key features of the tilt rest skill are for the occupied wheelchair to be tilted back, resting on an object, with the wheel locks applied. The wheel locks must be working. This can be checked by applying the wheel locks with the wheelchair in the upright position and attempting to move the rear wheels. If the wheels move, the wheel locks are not functioning well. To get into the tilt rest position, the wheelchair user can use the wheelie method, the pullback method, or the pushback method. Alternatively, a caregiver can assist. The hands should not be taken off the hand rims of the rear wheels unless the wheel locks are applied. To get back upright from the tilt rest position, the wheelchair user should leave the wheel locks on, then lean forward or apply a push or pull to an external object. Although the tilt rest skill is generally easy to learn and safe to perform, we strongly recommend that a knowledgeable spotter be present during the learning process. To learn more about this skill and others, please go to the Wheelchair Skills Program website.